Hello everyone, my name is Piyush. I'm a developer, solution architect, and CTO at Gyrix TechnoLabs. Kunal must have shared about my background, so I won't brag about myself anymore. In this video, I will briefly talk about blockchain technology. From past couple of years, it's been buzzword and it is considered as a disruptive technology. It's a very vast topic to cover, but I'll try to shed some knowledge, whatever I have gained so far. Its main focus is on decentralization. In simple terms, it is continuously growing list of records called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. You can relate it with the linked list data structure that we learn in our education system, where each item is linked after one another and each item stores a reference to its predecessor. It can also be considered as a distributed database copied across multiple computers in entire network. They are called nodes. Few capabilities that blockchain offer is one, decentralization, where you don't have to host your application in single host, which is vulnerable to hacking attacks. Second, blocks are immutable, so whatever data and transaction is put on blockchain are can never be changed, and you don't have to worry about authenticity of the data. It's secure. Blockchain supports high cryptography encryption that is not reversible, so it's very secure. It's permissionless. It completely eliminates need of middlemen, and practically it's hack proof. So based on the major applications based on my knowledge, I would say the major application for the blockchain could be banking application, which are already existing. There where your accounts, your transactions, your balances exist on blockchain, which can never change. No one can tamper with it. Identity management. Ideally, your identity shouldn't get stolen. So if it's on blockchain, it won't get stolen. Copyrights. So once you own the copyright of some item, you can put it on blockchain, and no one would be able to claim that it's in someone else's other than yours. Similar to copyrights, there are real estate or agreements. Once agreed, you can put it on blockchain and no other party can deny or back out from that agreement. Manufacturing and production industries, where production industries can tag each item and track them to provide authenticity, so no duplicate or clone for any items. And most importantly, government records. So if ideally government records shouldn't get stolen, changed, or destroyed, so a blockchain is very good contender for this stuff. Going forward, I feel this technology has been very useful, or would be useful in a real world application where trust is needed. So you have a proof of data is correct and it's never been changed, it's never been tampered. So blockchain would help solve many pain points of a typical software system. Um, so that's all about blockchain. Gyrix is actively investing its time in Ethereum technology, which is built on blockchain and offers much more features like writing a contracts, which is a programmable thing. It's an open source technology, so all the resources are available online. Its source code is available on GitHub. White papers are available on Wikipedia. There are a lot of it's a community driven uh, technologies where everyone contributes. There are a lot of Slack channels, forums available. Kunal would be sharing those links with you, and you can always join them. And not no need to mention is Gyrix is active part of this community, so you can always stay in touch with us. One last thing I would like to say is blockchain community is good where it's openness. The beginners, novice, all are accepted open-heartedly, and experts are always available to help you out. And I'm glad to be part of this community. I'm sure you will as well. Cheers.